Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. If you're looking for the easiest, most up-to-date method to install Esign on your iPhone or iPad, from iOS 15 to even on the latest iOS 18.2, without a PC or jailbreak, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process, so stick around till the end. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings, and then turn on Airplane Mode, and then turn on Wi-Fi as well. Now open Safari, and then open the DNS profile link. Hit on the download link, and then hit allow to download the DNS profile. Now open Settings, and then open the downloaded profile, then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install DNS profile in your iOS device. Now open Safari again, and then open the second link to install Esign. I will put all the links in the descriptions. Then simply hit Install, and then Install again to install Esign in your iOS device.
It's too late now. I remember everything and how careless.
Once the Esign app is installed in your iOS device, now simply open Settings, then open General, then open VPN and Device Management. Then open China Mobile Enterprise app, and then hit Trust to let Esign work in your iOS device. If you are on iOS 18, then you need to hit Allow and Restart to let Esign app work. After restart, now you will see that the Esign app will start working properly in your iOS device. Now open Safari again, and then open the third link, and then hit on Download link, and then hit Download to download the Esign certificate.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right. We were alive.
Now open your downloads, and then hit on the China Mobile Certificate zip file, and then hit on Uncompress. Then you will have new China Mobile folder with 3 files in it. One of them has password. Simply copy the password.
We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless. Time was precious. We loved to waste time.
Now go back and open Esign app, and then hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit Import. Now first select the China Mobile provision file from the new China Mobile folder. Then hit 3 dots again and hit Import, and then select the China P12 file from the same new China folder. Now first hit on China Mobile provision file and hit Import. Then hit on China Mobile P12 file, and then hit on Import Certificate Management. Then paste the password and hit OK. Now you are good to use Esign app in your iOS device and install any IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. Simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device, then hit on 3 dots, then hit Import, and then select your IPA file, and then hit Import.
And how careless we could be. And how careless.
Once your IPA file is imported, now open Apps, and then hit on your imported IPA file, then hit Signature, and then hit Signature again.
And how careless we could be.
Once it's signed 100%, now simply hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iOS device.
And how careless we could be.
And that's it. You've successfully installed Esign and can now install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC or jailbreak. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.